Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Jangid. Today we will summarize some topics of NCERT Class 9 Science Physics Lesson number 10 Gravitation. From our very earlier classes, we have heard that because of gravitational force, Earth is moving around the Sun. Because of gravitational force, we are able to stand on Earth. And we have also heard that anything thrown up will again come down. So we can shortly define gravitation as the force with which two objects or body attract each other is called gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Newton's universal law of gravitation states that every particle in the universe attracts each other particle with a force along a line joining them. A force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Equation for that is F is equal to G capital M into small m upon d square. Here capital F is the force, capital M is the mass of the body A, small m is the mass of body B, d is the distance and capital G is the gravitational constant. Our next topic is free fall. We have learned that the earth attracts the body towards it. This is due to gravitational force. Whenever object falls towards the earth, under this force alone, we say that the object are in free fall. While falling, there is no change in the direction of motion. But due to Earth's attraction, magnitude of velocity change. And we know that change in velocity involves acceleration. This is what free fall. We can shortly define free fall as follows. Equation of motion for freely falling body is V is equals to U plus GT. Second, H is equals to UT plus half GT square. Third, V square is equals to U square plus 2GH. Remember, these are the main points we should remember while solving the equations of freely falling body. When an object is falling vertically downward, velocity will increase. G will be positive. When a body is thrown vertically upward, velocity will decrease. G will be negative. When a body is dropped freely from a height, initial velocity U will be 0. When a body is thrown vertically upward, final velocity, that is V, will be 0. Time taken by a body to rise at the highest point is equal to the time taken to fall down from the same height. Value of G is maximum at poles because radius is minimum at poles. Value of G is minimum at equator because radius is maximum at equator. Value of G is 0 at the center of the earth. G is equals to acceleration due to gravity. The next topic is difference between the mass and the weight. Mass of an object is a measure of its inertia, whereas weight, the force of attraction of the earth on an object, is known as the weight of an object. Mass, it remains the same whether the body is on earth or in the outer space or on the moon. But weight changes place to place. Mass is a scalar quantity, whereas weight is a vector quantity. Remember, weight of a body on moon is 1/6 of that on earth. For example, if the weight of a body on moon is 6 Newton, it will be about 36 Newton on earth. If your weight is 60 kg on earth, then it will be approximately 10 kg on moon.